Once upon a time, there was a young boy who lived on a farm, his curious eyes scanning the fields under the bright sun. He was bored and wanted to have some fun, so he decided to play a trick on the villagers. He ran into the village shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers came running to help the boy, but when they arrived, they saw no wolf. They were angry with the boy for lying to them. The boy thought it was funny, so he did it again a few days later. The villagers came running again, but there was still no wolf. They were even angrier with the boy this time. One day a real wolf did appear on the farm. The boy ran to the village shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" But this time no one believed him. They thought he was lying again. The wolf attacked the boy's sheep and ate them all. The villagers were sad and angry. They realized that the boy's lies had gotten him into trouble. This story teaches us the importance of being honest and trustworthy. If we lie too often, people will stop believing us even when we tell the truth. Ultimately, the boy learned that honesty is not just a virtue, but a foundation for trust in relationships. From that day on, he vowed to never lie again and to always speak the truth. As he grew older, the boy became known for his honesty and reliability, earning the villagers' trust back.